really unfair. And today we will be making baking soda and vinegar bombs. We will need vinegar, balloons, baking soda, of course, optionally assorted food coloring, scissors, and we highly recommend that you use a little squirt bottle. First things first. Take your balloons, stretch it out. Now blow it up. Now let the air out. This exercise allows it to get more stretched. Now, cover your work area. Highly, highly, highly recommended. So it won't stink or get anywhere. Now, take your open box of baking soda
and put it in the balloon.
Pour and pour as much as you want into the balloon.
Oh, that is going to be good. I just realized that.
Get in there.
Here we go. Bring it down here.
Yeah. Here we go. Now, once you are done putting your decided amount, you got baking soda now. Anyway, take the squirt bottle.
You got it everywhere.
Whatever. Now, take the balloon. Put more vinegar than baking soda.
Oh my god.
Quickly tie it up.
Oh my god, we're gonna get like killed.
Congrats! You made a baking soda and vinegar bomb. Try shaking it up. Throw it at something. Don't throw it!
You're weird.
But this is how you make a baking soda and vinegar bomb. Goodbye.
You're weird.